So this is what goes on at the water fountain. 1, 2, 3. They love it. This is the Zen Water Fountain. And this thing's been up for months, so it's not like they're infatuated with something. They just love it. Their urine in the litter box is picked up tremendously, and that's healthy for them. They'll live longer. Some cats get dehydrated very quickly. You have to keep a lot of water. And you see here, they just all love this thing. They love it. They're all waiting to see who goes first. Get your spot, Keepaw. Keepaw's the tailless one. Fakster's the gray one. And Chloe, who has chronic renal failure, is the calico. And go ahead, Keepaw. Keepaw and Fakester are a little skittish. Lordy D. Let's see who that is. Hello. Well, this is where you pay your taxes. And you should tell them, I pay my taxes like I should, and y'all should do me right. Haven't you already paid a lot of money for the survey? Oh my God. Is this all EPA shit? Well, you know